In this episode, we are going to discuss about Bhanu Singher Podaboli. Bhanu Singher Podaboli is a series of poems written by Rabindranath Tagore under the pseudonym Bhanu Singh Thakur. It was in the year 1877 when young Tagore started reading and writing poems in Brajabuli. Young Tagore was attracted to the poems that he found in the book called Prachin Kabbo Samagro, or a collection of vintage poems edited by Akhay Sarkar and Sharoda Charan Mitra. In these poems, he found special interest which allowed him or inspired him to write poems himself in Brajabuli dialect. Rabindranath was also following the writings of Joydev in Gita Govindo, which was written around the 12th century, which was the Bengali Middle Age. In these texts, he found that the love for Krishna, the matings of Krishna and Radha, all these stories were combined and formed into the Bhanu Singher Podaboli. Around the year 1875, when he was traveling with his father, he also read a few of these poems where he found it very difficult to decipher and understand what these poems actually meant. He writes somewhere that, "I don't remember how many times I have tried with it. It was written in a prose form, and the main challenge for me was to decipher the metering and read. It was only that day when I could read some of the verses in the proper way. I was particularly glad." Tagore took almost 2 years to complete and understand these poems, and after which he started writing poems himself in Brajabuli. Probably the first poem written in this form was Gahana Kusuma Kunja Majhe. He writes in one of his reminiscences that, "It was a cloudy afternoon. Rejoicing with the overcast interval, I eased on the bed with my face down and wrote couple of words on a slate. Gahana Kusuma Kunja Majhe. It was a kind of euphoria I felt after that." Let us listen to this song.
गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर बंशी बाजे बिसरे त्रास लोक लाजे सजनिया आओ लो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे पिनः चारु नीलवास हृदय प्रणय कुसुम राश पिनः चारु नीलवास हृदय प्रणय कुसुम राश हरिण नेत्र विमल हास हरिण नेत्र विमल हास कुंज वन में आओ गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे.
Gahana Kusuma Kunja Majhe, if translated to English, would mean something like this. Deep in the arbor, flutes sound hover. Come on, darling, shake off fear and blushing. Clad in all blue robes, heart full of love and rose, doe eyes gleam, come to this arbor, O lean. Aroma of flowers sensuous, birds call mellifluous. The moon spraying silver, tendering its light delicate. Slew of bees buzz around millions of arboreal flowers, Bakul and Juthi blooming in bunches. Lo dear, eyes of Shamrai brim out love, his gorgeous face heavenly, teasing moon generously. Let us grow in groups and see Sri Govinda. Bhanu Singha felicitating Sham with the lotus of ode.
ढाले कुसुम सुरभ भार ढाले बिहग सुरभ सार ढाले इंदु अमृत धार बिमल रजत भाति रे मंद मंद भृंग गुंज अयुत कुसुम कुंजे कुंजे मंद मंद भृंग गुंजे अयुत कुसुम कुंजे कुंजे फुटल सजनी पुंजे पुंजे फुटल सजनी पुंजे पुंजे बकुल योथे जाति रे गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे देख लो सखी श्याम राय नयने प्रेम उथल जाय मधुर बदन अमृत सदन चंद्रमाय निंदे छे आओ आओ सजनी वृंद हेरब सखी श्री गोविंद आओ आओ सजनी वृंद हेरब सखी श्री गोविंद श्याम को पदार बिंद श्याम को पदार बिंद भानु सिंह बंदे छे गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे मृदुल मधुर वंशी बाजे बिसरे त्रास लोक लाजे सजनी आओ आओ लो गहन कुसुम कुंज माझे.
Tagore was particularly fond of Mr. Akhay Sarkar, the editor of the Prachin Kabya Samagro, or the collection of vintage poems. He is the person who introduced young Tagore to the British poet Chatterton, or Thomas Chatterton. Chatterton was a poet who used to write like the old age poets of that time. He used to present his writings to people, and even intellectuals misunderstood those poems as poems written by old age poets. Tagore found Chatterton and his work very interesting. He writes in one of his writings, "The dramatic story had seriously affected my imagination. He used to write poems by copying the style from old age poets, and those were beyond experts' apprehension. He had committed suicide only at the age of 16. I engaged myself for following Chatterton, albeit brushing aside the unwanted suicide chapter." Young Chatterton had committed suicide, but Tagore took inspiration from him and started writing poems in Brajabuli, which was not his own language, but he took inspiration from age-old poets and started writing his own poems. This was the basis of the Bhanusingher Padabuli. As the first text was published in 1877, Rabindranath took this text or poems to different people for opinions. Some said they were quite good. Some said they were exquisite. People were always misled by Tagore, because at certain point of time Tagore would say that he has taken these poems out of the Brahmo Samaj library. People always understood that these poems are written by the age-old poets. Nishikanta Chattopadhyay is a person who was a distant relative of Tagore. He was doing a research on the Bengali lyrical poems of the Middle Age. In this research, he also mentioned poems from Bhanu Singh's Padavali as examples of the Middle Age or the 11th, 12th century poems of Bengal. He also got a doctorate for this research. Tagore continued to write in Brajabuli for a couple of more years. His later compositions were Aju Saki Muhu Muhu and Maranare Tuhu Mama Shyama Saman. These songs of Tagore had also the philosophy of the Krishna-Radha relationship. Let us listen to the song Maranare Tuhu Mama Shyama Saman.
मरण रे तू हो मामा श्याम समान मेघ बरण तुझ मेघ जटा जुट रक्त कमलकर रक्त आधार पुट ताप विमोचन करुण कोर तब मृत्यु अमृत करे दान तू मम श्याम समान आकुल मरण तू
O death, I adore you like my beloved Shyam. You are as dark as the clouds, as frightening. Your lips are red like blood. Your touch is brutal. You are the reliever. Your soothing lap. Drown me into that. O death, I adore you like my Shyam. We can easily see that deeper philosophies have been incorporated into songs like these.
भुज पाशे तव लह सम्बोधये आँखि पात मझु देह तुरोधये कोर तुझ रोदये रोदये नीद भरब सब तू नहीं बिसरबी तू नहीं छोड़बी राधा हृदय तू कबहु न तोड़बी हिया हिया राखबी अनुदिन अनुखना अतुलन तोहार ले गगन सघन अब तिमिर मगन भव तड़ित चकित अति घोर में ताल ताल थरु सभयत बध सब पंथ बिजन अति घोर एकली जावब तुझा अभिसारे तुहु मम प्रियतमा की फल विचारे भय बाधा सब अभय मूर्ति धरे पंथ देखायब मोर भानु भने ऐ राधा छे छे चंचल चित्त तुहारे भानु भने ऐ राधा छे छे चंचल चित्त तुहारे जीवन वल्लभ मरण अधिक सो अब तुहु देख विचारे मरण रे तुहु मम
Rabindranath Tagore wrote about 22 poems for Bhanu Singher Podaboli. These were first written as poems and then set to tune. Unfortunately, only 9 or 10 of these songs are available with notations now. Rabindranath never re-ventured into writing poems in Brajabuli in the later part of his career. In one of his reminiscences, he writes, I have no idea who Bhanu Singh was, but if I had come across his poems, I wouldn't have felt cheated. I can say this with confidence. Bhanu Singher Podaboli was finally published in the year 1884. He dedicated this piece of writing to Kadambari Devi, the wife of Jyotirindranath Thakur, the elder brother of Rabindranath. Kadambari Devi was particularly interested about Tagore, and she always wanted that Tagore should get these poems published. Unfortunately, in 1883, Kadambari Devi committed suicide, and she couldn't live to see her dream come true. Perhaps to keep the suspense on, Rabindranath also set tune to some of the actual poems written by Vidyapati. One such example is Vidyapati's Bhara Badara Mahabhadara. This is a poem which was actually written by Vidyapati, but the tune was set to by Rabindranath Tagore. Let us listen to this song, Bhara Badara. It basically means that it's raining heavily outside and it's monsoon season. But alas, my temple inside is empty because Sham is not here with me.
भरादर माधर शून्य मंदिर भरादर झंझाघन गरजन्ति संतति भुवन भरि बरि खान्तिया कांत पाहुन बिरह दारुण सघने खर शरहन्तिया कुलिश शत शत पात मोदित मयूर नाचत मातिया मयूर नाचत मयूर